No shall never ever feel the same. Inside, you're always gonna say my name. Your eyes stay close just to see my face.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this video on this hair. This is actually a 5x5 closure that I end up doing a side swoop, and all this thing is giving frontal, to be honest. But this is Unice hair. I will have all their links down below for their wig, and also their wig came in this bag. This is the regular bag they did, and I'm actually happy that they did this because they're not wasting paper for the packaging. And this just came in the standard regular plastic bag. This is their 26-inch 5x5 closure curly wig. I am loving this wig. I did the glueless install, so I did this install completely glueless, no spray, no glue, no nothing, so you can just pop it on your head. I did show you how I secure it because I got some questions asking how I get my wigs to stay on my head, so I did show you guys that as well. They also put a little gift bag together, so they just have their little Unice thing. And I end up using this for my wig today. I feel like this is so amazing because I don't have a cap on my head, and I feel like sometimes when my braids get kind of old, my hair gets so itchy, and the cap just makes my wig so tight. So just having this on my head really helps my wig to be even more secure so it doesn't slide. So this is a wig grip to help your wig to stay on. Yeah, a wig grip to help your wig stay on and not move. I'm wearing that today as well. They provide you with wig cap in case you wanted to still use a wig cap. I mean, if I'm gluing my wig down, I'm definitely wearing a wig cap so I can put the glue on so it looks like skin. And then they did give some mink lashes, some long mink lashes, and also a box with a little chain. They gave like a little cross chain and a thing. Also forgot to tell you guys, I did not pluck this wig whatsoever, so this is a good tutorial for anybody that don't know how to customize their wig. I did end up bleaching the knots, but that's pretty much it. I did not pluck it at all because I was too lazy. So yeah, this is why I came up with this little swoop thing. But yeah, so let's get right into this video. I'm going to show you me installing and styling this hair. I love this flat look. The hair is about 80% dry, so it has like 20% more to go, but I did use my Old Faithful QP gel, so obviously it's going to stay flat. It's not going to get poofy. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So I'm going to just take my two-sided foundation and put it in the lace and then just install as normal. I'm loving this wig because it's a 5x5 closure. So yeah, this is the wig I'm going to wear today. I feel like I want to wear it sleek, so that's what I'm going to go for. Okay, I'm just going to brush back my hairline using the Edge Booster Edge Control just to get it out of the way. I'm wearing my hair completely glueless today because I don't want to keep it on. I just want to take it off tonight, so I'm going to just use Edge Control to slick my hair back. And I just like rubbing my hand on top of it. I feel like that takes out all the moisture out of the Edge Control so that my hairline will not curl up. Okay, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and put on this wig grip. It came in one of the packages that I got, but I'm pretty sure you can get this on Amazon. I'm gonna put it right here behind my hairline like that. Hopefully that's centered, just like this. Okay guys, so a lot of people ask me if my wig ever slide back and all that stuff. It does not. I feel like I always tell people, like, when I wear my wigs glueless, they don't slide back. They literally stay where I put them because I tighten this band, okay? This band that comes inside of the wig, you want to tighten it to the tightest setting. I mean, if you're going to have your wig glueless, you're going to have to compromise a headache. But yeah, I just tighten the band all the way to the opposite end on both sides. Because since I know I'm going to take it out at night, I really don't care. So I tighten it like this. This is how I get my wigs to stay on and not slide back. So I'm going to just put this on my head. I already put my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14. Make sure that the hair is sitting behind your ear comfortably. You don't want it to make you feel uncomfortable. And then just move it around until it's super, super comfortable. Okay. And this is the lace. It's so thin. I love a thin lace. Oh no, I feel like it's too much to one side. Okay. So this is how the hairline is looking. I'm not gonna add any glue or nothing to this wig, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace using a razor, and then I'm going to do the edges. Really quick and simple. I'm just gonna show you guys the process. I mean, the wig is really snug to my head, so it's not gonna slide back anywhere, and I feel like I don't have no friends to be having somebody. I don't have no friends that's gonna pull my wig off my head, so I don't feel intimidated going out like this or nothing like that. I'm gonna first cut off the sides. I feel like this is self-explanatory. We do this all the time. So I'm just going like this, and then just cut off the tab in a slanted edge, and do that to both sides. Okay, and once you do that, just go ahead, take a razor. You want to take one of these eyebrow razors and cut the lace off in a jagged edge. I like cutting it in sections because it really helps. For me, it helps to like keep it good. Make sure that the wig is nice and snug, and now go ahead and start cutting. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. It's a little too zoomed in, but okay. And what I'm doing is just gliding the razor on the lace. And this is the lace that was cut off. You don't have to cut off any of these extra edges that I just did. That was very unnecessary, but go ahead and just cut the other side. And you can see it's really blended. So imagine if you were to glue this down. When you use glue, it's like a flawless skin-like look because the glue is melting into the lace. When you don't use glue, you're not gonna get that look. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my foundation brush again and just touch up the hairline just a bit. All right. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and take out the areas that I want to do edges. I don't normally do edges in the middle part of my head when I'm doing a curly wig, so I'm just gonna take out both sides. You want to do it the same way you would if you were doing a frontal. So take out on both sides. I feel like this is all the way here and this is all the way here. You can clip the hair out of the way if you choose. I need to find a clip. And one thing I like to do is just take out little tiny hairs at the front. And this is going to give it an even more natural look because you're going to have those little wild hairs. I feel like when it comes to curly hair, I like having those little wild hairs in the front. So I just take it out like that. Okay. Make sure that it's nice, like how you want it to look. Make sure it's looking how you want it to look. Cut out any little unnecessary pieces, and then I'm gonna take my tweezers. I'll put them down, tweezers. Okay, same thing I always do. I take tweezers and I tweeze out this area right here so it's not too thick, but it's more natural. You don't want to do it too much, but you want to do it just enough so that it looks natural. So like this, and then just do it to the other side as well. Now I'm gonna just trim down the hair. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and curl it. I'm curling it going away from my face because I like a wispy look. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Gorilla Snot. I love this combination. I love this combination so much because it just makes my edges look so good. So the first thing I do is I go in first with my Got2b just to sculpt the hair and see how I want it to lay before I actually like lay it down with the thing. So I just spray it on the brush, swoop the hair going out and then over. This hair is so soft. Swoop it going out and over. If you feel any like random hairs that's trying to go in there, just kind of trim it down. Okay, scoop the hair going out and over. And then I like using the comb to give me a little bit more control because you want to hold the hair down with your hand because your finger is going to help guide you on where the hair is going. Okay, if you want to do a little swoopy thing going this way, I don't know, anything y'all want to do. So now that I have this side like that, I'm going to take the Gorilla Snot now. I'm going to put a little bit on this thing because it's very sticky. You need just a little bit, like this is so much. You need a little bit, and then you want to get it on your finger and then put it at the base of the hair. You want to put it at the base because regardless, as long as you're brushing down, it's gonna go through the whole hair. So boom, look at that. That literally looks so good in my opinion. So look at how that's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Same thing, spray this down. And then make sure you're getting it from the root and kind of give it a curve. And then go in with the Gorilla Snot. Put it at the root.
shall never ever feel the same. Inside, you're always gonna say my name. Your eyes stay close just to see my face. While she's thinking that I've been replaced. Deny you, deny you, deny. You and I, we stay in denial. Kisses tickle you so. Highly choose whenever the wind blows at night. Take you down at the knees when your sight falls on me. And I left upon with your taste buds, so she'll never persuade one to forget me for her. So I bother. Oh, shall never ever feel the same. Inside, you're always gonna say my name. Your eyes get close just to see my face while she's thinking that I've been.
So this is the little head wrap thing. So all I do is I just put it on this way. This is gonna help keep the hair flat, and I'm gonna blow dry it. I'm gonna blow dry it on high heat. That's gonna help the hair to dry. So this is how much hair I got from the whole detangling process. This is mixed up with some of my old hair too, sorry. But basically it's mixed in here. It's really nothing. It's basically nothing. Okay, basically nothing. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna leave my hair like this, but basically this is what the thing does. It just flattens the hair down for you, and this is the look. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I love how this turned out. I have not done a swoop thing in a while. I'm gonna just define the part. I'm just using my concealer brush. I'm gonna just define the part a little bit. Never forget to put this on your curly hair. Game changer. This is the Silken Seal. Make sure you use this shit. It makes your wig look so good. Ooh, child. So good. And I'm just gonna wipe my face because, child, why am I sweating like that? Okay, so yeah, I like it. This is basically the end look. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to check out Unice hair. I will have the links down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited for this video. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.